Welcome back, guys. I know you guys will be wondering how I make this yummy, delicious Italian pizza. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl MJ. So today guys, I hope that you all are fine and good and great. So today guys, I'm gonna show you how to make Italian pizza at home. Okay, yeah, this one is for how to make pizza at home. It's simple, yummy and delicious. Okay. So I'm preparing it guys. So guys, what you're gonna put next is warm water. Okay, you're gonna use warm water. Here is warm water. You put warm water, salt, mix it. Guys, you need to press it well. Okay, roll it well with your hands. So guys, you can see how it is. So now I need to put it a little oil. I can still turn it back again to oil, olive oil, and you turn it again. So you're making it to get more softer. So guys, you're gonna cover it. Yeah, you're gonna cover it and leave it for 1 hour before you open it. Okay. Yeah, welcome back guys. It have already stay 1 hour. Yeah, already stay 1 hour. So see, you guys can see. What you guys gonna do is for you to spray flour here, cut it into two. So guys, I'm using my hands. Okay, I'm using my hands to do it. I don't have something I'm going to use to make it to get water. Okay, so this one is the easiest way where I learned it. So we use hands like this. So this is how you keep on doing it until it gets rounder. I'm gonna put a little oil in it. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little olive oil, so I'm gonna rub it. So it's going to help me to round it very well.
So what you're gonna do, you spread it like this. Yeah. When you spread it like this, you use your hands because you need to make here get deeper. Okay. You use your hands. Use your hands to arrange it very well. Because I want to make it to get deeper. You guys can see. So I've already get better. So it will be hard for me to take it out because I rub it olive oil before I start to do it. You can see how it is. Okay, see how it is. It's looking, this one is too wide, but this one is not much wider. Okay, this one is just entered inside. I know this one is getting older. Okay, this was my old frying pan and this one is my new one, but this one is too wider, but this one is the normal one I'm going to use now. So guys, I suppose a little oil. What you're gonna do, my arms to rub it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is that it's okay. It's okay for me. I rub the olive oil to all the body. Okay, that is cool. You can see it. So I'm gonna put it on a microwave for it. So I need to cover it for it to heat.
That is what I'm gonna use to do it. You guys can see it. And this is the cheese I'm going to spread on top of it. Tomato, this one, you can still use this one, okay? So now I want to put the tomato. So what you're gonna do is spread it very well on it. I don't want to put it much, guys, okay? Because I still have fresh tomato that I'm gonna put. This is cheese. Spread cheese. You put tomato. And guys, I'm using chicken breast. Okay, this is chicken breast, so you spread the chicken breast on top of it. I'm using chicken breast, guys. So this one is fresh pepper, green fresh pepper. Other cheese on top of it before I'll put on fire.
So guys, I've already put the pizza. So what you're gonna do, you use your fork to do it like that, spread it like this. Okay, so you spread cheese, a little olive oil, tomatoes, put in chicken breast, spread it on top. So I'm gonna cover it because it's gonna done with the heat. Okay guys, that is it. Okay guys, let us check the pizza. Woo, 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 woo. Guys, you can see how it is. Boom, 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 boom. The cheese, like everything have already met. You guys can see how I made my yummy, delicious pizza at home. Like, let us bring it down. Wow, so yummy. Well, guys, you can see that. Guys, I can't wait because I need to demolish this pizza right in front of you guys. Guys, I'm gonna demolish pizza and you guys will see how I enjoy this my yummy and delicious pizza. Oh, delicious.
Hello, welcome back. Simple and easy for you to do at home. Okay, it can take you like let me just say it can take you only 1 hour. Okay, that's how to make pizza. It's gonna just take you only 1 hour for you to make pizza. Okay, I know I have already made the pizza. I made two pizza today, but let me tell you, can you see this one have already finished? Can you guess people that ate it? Wow, my roommates, they ate it where I'm doing it. Immediately I threw finish it like they just ate all those ones. So this one remained. This is the last one that I made that I haven't even touched or ate anything. So I decide to eat this delicious and I just want to sit down and eat this amazing, delicious, yummy homemade Italian pizza. Guys, I want you guys to try this. You guys, see how it is. See. You guys can see the food. Like, guys, I want to tell you the thing that but I put green pepper, chicken breast, fresh tomato, green pepper, onions, and the cheese. Okay, so guys, try this yummy homemade Italian pizza. Delicious. Try it. Like guys, to make pizza at home is good. Okay, if you learn it, you can't buy this again in supermarket. You will start doing it for yourself. Or your children, they say, "Mommy, I want pizza." Or "Daddy, I want pizza." You just enter kitchen, just prepare pizza for 1 hour. Okay? And this one stuff will still make you save a lot of money. When you want pizza, you go there, you buy €5, €10, €15, €20, €30 pizza. Okay? But what I used to do this pizza did not reach like €20, okay? It just happens only €10. The things that I bought, okay? But I will not put all those things that I bought at once, okay? You can use the seasons and cook another dish that you want. The tomato, the chicken breast, you know, the onions and fresh pepper, green pepper, and all those things. You see in there. So that is it. You can still help you to save a lot of money. Guys, I'm enjoying this. See how it is, guys. I want you guys to try this. Italian pizza is sweet too. If you just made it for yourself, you will enjoy it. I made it with £5. Guys, I'm enjoying it too. Guys, I challenge you guys to do this at home. Do it for your husband, for your fiancé, especially for your children. Children love pizza. Children love pizza. If you don't know. I'm enjoying my pizza. The smell is something else. Mom can do pizza, you don't have to do pizza, okay? Once in a while I eat pizza, and it's okay for me. Like, for some eating this one right here now, it will take like almost 3 months, 4 months before I eat pizza again. Yeah, that's how I eat pizza. I can't remember to eat, like, it takes me a long time for me to eat pizza because I know I'm watching my weight, okay? So, I don't eat too much pizza, okay? Once in a while for you to shop pizza is okay. Once in a while. But there are some people that eat it every day as if it's like, you know, you are increasing fat. Yeah, I know that all the things that I used to make this pizza is fresh, okay? It's fresh. All the things here is fresh, okay? My neighbors just eat because Sorry guys, because the pizza is so sweet. They don't want to leave the pizza for me. And I tell them I want to use the pizza to do my video. I don't want them to do my video. You're eating my pizza. Oh please, I need to do my video. I need to show them how I made the pizza. I need to show them how the delicious pizza is. So that's why they remain this one for me. If not, they won't have these people. They like food. Okay, no problem guys. I've already demolished this one guys, you guys can see. Well, this one that remain here, maybe I'm gonna still eat one. Let me take one out of here. So guys, I want you guys to try this delicious, yummy, homemade Italian pizza. Okay? Try this at home, maybe for your children, for your husband, or fiancé, whatever. Okay? It's so delicious and yummy. So try it at home. Thank you all for watching. My new and my old subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me, and thank you guys for watching my video, clicking like, commenting. You guys are telling me that I'm improving. Thanks so much for everything. Much love from me to you all. You guys are amazing. Please, if you know you're passing by and you saw my video, please watch. Please, please, please. One minute. Let's beg in the name of God. Please watch video, click like, and click the red button. Subscribe for you to see my notification. Click all for you to see all my videos. Click all for you to see my notification, guys. Okay, I'm begging. Bye guys.